Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Brandon from Time Bomb Irrigation, shooting here at Time Bomb Studios, bringing you another one. A great tactic for your small business advertisement. What I'm talking about, street signs. That's right. You went ahead and made your own first logo. You went and put it on some cards. You went and put it on some shirts. You went and made your first brochure. You went and made your first social media account. What do you got to do next? Yard signs. Why? Because they see you everywhere now. Now they get to see you as they go to their favorite store to pick up their jug of milk and their favorite candy bar. That's a winning success. If you want to learn how to go ahead and create your signs up from the ground up, just like I did, I suggest you go ahead and follow me. Let's go. Welcome to Cricut Design Space. So what you guys are going to see is I already have my logo already loaded up here in the Cricut from all the other adventurous videos that you guys have already seen before. So what I ended up doing is I took my emblem and I deconstructed it. So I took off my big emblem, I decided to take my time bomb and everything else, and I uploaded it into the system itself, and then I was able to arrange it onto the canvas. The reason why I did that was so that I can duplicate multiple things for me to be able to cut out and get taken care of. The other reason why I ended up taking the very first emblem out is because I actually convert that guy into a sticker. For how much detail and how big it was, I wanted to be able to make that a little bit faster, since I was going to be using a lot of vinyl for the other parts of my sign here. So I made the other side into a sticker, and we'll go through that process there too. There's multiple ways you can make a sign, and I think I've done darn near every single one of them, so enjoy. So we're going to go ahead and hit the make button now. If you guys have seen other videos, or if you don't know much about how to go ahead and do this, I end up going ahead and stacking my mats, and that's what you're going to see here. Basically what I do is I use the different colors for the areas that are needing for the colors, depending on the measurement, lining it across there, knowing where it's going to cut for those. So I'm putting all the gray, I'm putting all the black, and putting on the red all together on one mat. And then the next one, you're going to see me go ahead and put the yellow and purple together, since they're still pretty close in dimension, and being able to go ahead and decipher between two colors is a lot easier than having to do 4 or 5 on one. So just know that. This also speeds up the process of you doing your cutting. So instead of loading the mat with each one of the colors individually and having a cut, and spending all day going ahead and having a cut and not doing any of the projects, this is the best way to be able to get it done as efficiently as possible for you guys. We can go ahead and have another detailed description or video on that if you guys want to check it out. We're going to go ahead and start the process and going ahead and making my other emblem into a sticker. Now I already have it in a sticker form, since I've been able to play with this for a little while. So you're going to see me actually take it from non-sticker form and then create it into a sticker. And now, knowing the differences between a kiss cut and die cut from the other videos I did before with stickers, you should be able to know which one you want to put on here. Now I do have a sticker vinyl that is a glossy deal that you can end up printing right onto that and then cutting out, but then there's also the sticker paper that you can also go ahead and print on, then laminate, and then also get cut out through the Cricut. And then now you're going to see me go ahead and laminate it together. You can go ahead, like I said, there's paper that can do it all together, or you can have some type of machine to do it for you. Let's make it to the point where we're a new business owner and we're going to go ahead and do it only in-house. So that's what we're going to do here. So here we go. After lamination, we're going to go ahead and throw it through the Cricut to go ahead and cut. I didn't have a difficulty with the lamination over the top of it and being on the gloss lines. They were able to be picked up pretty easily by the Cricut and cut out exactly what I needed to be. I'm going to end up doing a lot of my vinyl cuts now. I am going to do a little bit of a speed up here because there was a lot of vinyl that I had to go ahead and get cut up and get placed in the right position. So here goes a little speed montage, and I got a little bit of the weeding as well that's going to be in there. It looked like I was kind of struggling with my very first one. I don't know, it's sometimes a hit or miss with the vinyl trying to pull it off there, because sometimes my letters get stuck and gummed up in it, and then it won't actually come out other than me trying to press it and hold it down with one hand or my weeding tool. And then other times, like you see, it can just literally be seconds, and I can just pull it all at once coming out. So be gentle and be paying attention, because you can rip through vinyl pretty easily still, even though it is a different type of material. This here, we're going to go ahead and see my couplers, and then also my pipe that is also on my logo. I end up going ahead and, like I said, I stack the mats again to go ahead and have that be able to be cut efficiently and as fast as possible. I got a lot of work to do. I did do quite a few signs for all this. This was a little bit of a process with the different styles that it did have to end up learning. You could probably learn how to do this whole thing probably within maybe 2 hours tops. And you're gonna go ahead and see me do the irrigation part, cut out here, L.L.C, my logo, and then you'll go ahead and see the phone numbers I attach to the bottom so that everybody knows how to get a hold of me. So I want to go ahead and do a whole walkthrough showing you guys how I was able to place it. There are other clips I do have where I was using my measuring tool and everything, but at this point I have done these, I think, for the 5th or the 6th time. So now being able to eyeball it, I was able to get a little bit closer. I'm not 100% perfect, but nobody really is. Maybe it's my own little touch I like to do to literally everything. So if it's a little off center or it's not straight, don't worry about it. I'll get better. I'm just brand spanking new. So nobody's teaching me how to do any of this, and I'm learning this all on my own. So my handles, I was able to go and find those handles. Being able to go ahead and have it extracted and cut out on Cricut was a little bit harder to do because of the different resolution on there. So if you do have an opportunity to use a different type of designing where it can find you the items that you need for, I would suggest going ahead and using that if you have a paid subscription so that you have the licenses to it, and then go ahead and do it, because you will literally lose your mind trying to go ahead and cut out the most smallest piece of your logo. So I'd have to say I was pretty lucky I was able to actually find that, or I'd have to actually create that from scratch. Alright, well there you have it, guys. Thanks for going ahead and checking out my sign that I was able to create with you guys. If you did like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If not, go ahead and hit that comment. Let me know how you feel about it. Really, let's go, bring it on. I can take it. But anyways, if you want to go ahead and see more videos like this, you guys know where I'm at, here at Time Bomb Studios, shooting live. Alright, I love you guys. Take care. Count your blessings.